Hi, I would like to introduce you to our Bead Mosaic starter toolkit. Now, a lot of people ask me, what do I need to be able to do this type of art? And so we put together a toolkit for you, and it has all the basic necessities that you would want to have when creating bead mosaics. So the first thing is your glue bottle, and this is so that you can put your glue mixture in here and have a little more precise pouring to it, and it gives you a little ability to squeeze it and then seal it up so you're ready for the next project. So this is number one essential. The second thing is you also get this large bead scooper, and this is really great when you are scooping big bunches of beads out, and also it has this wonderful pointed end so you can pour them back in. So just make life a little bit easier for you. The next thing is this sorting tray. Now this is for when you are doing your touch-ups on your beads. So I'm just gonna pour a few little beads in here, and it's just gonna let you sort them into different sections and areas so that you can pick them out, and then you can put glue in one of the little wells right here. You can pick it out, drop it in the glue, and then put it on your project. So this is a great little tool to help you keep your beads organized and keep you going at the pace that you want them to go at. The next thing that you're gonna get are 3 of these triangles, and these are kind of bead 101. They are, they kind of sit together. I'm gonna show you just like this. So you can get more of these, you can get as many as you feel like you need, but it comes with 3 of them, and they're great because you can pour them with the little end here. You can keep beads in them. I do it all the time. I just keep beads stored in here so that they're available when I need them, or if I'm working on a specific project, I pour them into here. That way they're ready for me whenever I need them. So it comes with 3 of these. And then it also comes with the specialty tweezers. Now these tweezers are non-magnetic. That's why they have this special silver tip at the front right here. And they're super pointy. So you have to be really careful. Don't poke yourself with this stuff. But these are really great for being able to pick up the beads. You can stick them right through the middle of the hole. You can grab them from the outside. The key to the tweezers is don't squeeze the bead too hard. If you squeeze the bead too hard, it's gonna fling, and then you're gonna have beads popping all over yourself. It also comes with a little cover so that you can cover it up and not worry about it poking through anything. Your kit is also going to come with an X-Acto knife, and this is so that you can cut the EVA foam or the acetate as it is to put it on. And you wanna make sure that you have really tight, really sharp blades on these. When the blades go dull, that's when your project starts to look not so good. But it also comes with an extra set of blades. So you're gonna have at least 2 or 3, maybe more extra blades to go with this X-Acto knife. The next thing is another bead scooper. Now this bead scooper is a little bit more specialized, very specifically for beads. It has this round scoop end right here that is designed to scoop in little sections of beads like this. So you're gonna be able to pick those beads up. And then it has this pointy end right here that allows you to kind of scrape and pour as well. So this is a really great tool to have, and is used. This is kind of your bigger mass type of grabbing, and then this is your smaller stuff. And I use this tool a lot. Like I'll put a bunch of beads on here like this, and then I will scoop them out little by little like this onto my project. So it gives me more precision when I'm working, which is what this is great for. Another thing that this comes with is a wax pencil. And this tool is great. I don't have a sharpened one here, but it is, you sharpen it just like a regular pencil. It has a white tip on it, and you're gonna use this to pick up beads. So this is just a little piece of wax on here, and you're gonna lightly press it to a bead. See how that actually picked that up? And it'll pick it up for you. And then when you touch it to something, the bead just drops right off. So this is a really incredible tool. And then lastly, what you're gonna get is a pencil pouch to hold everything in. And this is a really great, it's not the cheapy kind of stuff. It looks like it, but this thing is really tough. And that's to hold all your supplies in. So I just wanted to go over this with you and kind of give you an idea of the value that you're getting in your toolkit. And this is all you need to get started. If you feel like you want more tools, like you need more wax pencils, or you need more triangles, or different types of scoopers, even larger glue bottles, you can get those on the beadmosaic.com website. But for now, this is all you need to get started, and this is all I used for many years when I was first starting out. So I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for getting it. Bye. Don't forget to buy your toolkit at beadmosaic.com.